Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science. We are discussing the chapter called Conservation of Plants and Animals for Class 7. We have already discussed conservation, consequences and causes of deforestation, the wildlife protected areas as declared by the government, natural which are national park, wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve, and we have also understood the differences between each of them. Then we discussed biodiversity and we discussed various threatened species such as endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species and extinct species. Students, today we are going to discuss the topic which is Red Data Book, and Red Data Book is a book which has list of all the endangered plants and species. So if you remember what are the endangered species? Endangered species are the species which are likely to be lost as their population is very small in number. So unless we conserve these endangered species, these are also going to be lost forever as extinct species. So endangered species should be conserved properly. So Red Data Book is a book which is published by the IUCN, which is International Union for Conservation of Nature, and these books are separately there for plants, for animals and for other species. For example, a separate Red Data book will be published for the endangered butterflies or endangered vertebrates or endangered some other species. So these books are separately published for different species, plants and animals. Similarly, the list of the endangered plants of an area or endangered animals of an area, like for example for a particular country, will be separate. So said Red Data Book will be separate for separate species and it with respect to different countries also. Now this book is, as I told you, is published by IUCN, which is International Union for Conservation of Nature, and now it is known as World Conservation Union, that is WCU. Here you can see there are few books. First one is the Red Data Book of Indian Animals. So as I told you, these are different as per the country. So this is the Red Data Book of Indian Animals, and this is part 1 for vertebrates only. Now this is the Red Data Book for butterflies of India. So you can see the India is a country specific. So this is Red Data Book is country specific to India and specific to butterflies. Now you can see here the IUCN Invertebrate Red Data Book, and here you can see the IUCN Mammal Red Data Book. These are few examples. There are many more Red Data books for different species and for different countries. In our next lecture, we will be studying about ecosystem. Thank you so much.